Hello everyone, how are you going today? I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to do a quick follow-up video on a recent video I did about Raydium DEX on Solana. I'm not sure if you have tried this DEX out yet, but I totally recommend it for many reasons, some of which were outlined in my recent video tutorial on how to set up and and how to use Raydium. So if you'd like to know how to get set up and use Raydium from scratch, step by step, then check out my recent video, which will pop up in the top right of your screen about now. In this video though, I'd like to show you how to use the trading feature, which differs from the regular swap feature most of us are used to using in common DeFi protocols like Uniswap and PancakeSwap and so on. So if that sounds good to you, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to activate the notify bell so you can get my time-sensitive, most up-to-date videos without delay. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's check out the regular swap feature that probably most of us are already familiar with. So step 1, make sure you have your wallet connected. By the way, I'm using the Phantom wallet. I totally recommend it. Step 2, select the token you want to trade from and which token you want to trade into. So I'll do a live demo for you, as the fees on Solana are literally free. So in my demo, I'll convert $1 USDC into the equivalent in USDT. So click swap and you'll have to make a few confirmations, and that's it. Let's convert that back now using the same process. Okay, that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, let's move on to the trading tab. First, you need to select the trading pair you are interested in. So I want to trade some of my USDC for Ray. However, I don't want to trade at the current price, so I can put in a limit order, which means I can choose the price that I will be willing to pay that is below the current price. So if the price falls down to that level, then the Raydium DEX will automatically buy that for me. This could save you a lot of time and bother, as you won't need to watch the prices constantly. Okay, so let's do a live demo. First of all, let's decide the price to buy at. For this demo, I'll just be using CoinGecko, and I'll try to find some accumulation zones so they will act as a kind of support. Looks like around $12 seems to be a good buying zone, so I'll use that for my limit price. Now all I need to do is click on Limit by Ray, confirm that in my wallet, and that's it. Now if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I can see my open orders, and if I want to, I can easily cancel that order. If I do cancel it though, you'll notice that I haven't received the funds back into my wallet. In order to receive those funds, I will need to click on Settle, which you will see in Unsettled Balances. So after I click that, I should see the USDC returned into my wallet. So there you have it. Now you know how to use Raydium. I highly recommend checking out my last video, as that will teach you the basics as well as other things such as Raydium's Launchpad Accelerator that I didn't mention in this video. Link is above. I hope you enjoyed today's video, everyone. If you could learn something, please drop me a like and write a comment. Let me know what you want to see in future crypto videos. Okay then, that's all for today. I hope you have a great day, everyone. See you next time.